Need water damage restoration in Bellevue? National Restoration Construction is your local expert ready to help right now. National Restoration Construction offers 24/7 emergency response in Bellevue. Our crews answer calls day and night, every day. Our IICRC certified technicians bring professional-grade water damage restoration methods directly to your Bellevue property. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NATIO AUB 792M6 and insured, giving Bellevue homeowners real peace of mind. From soaked floors to saturated walls, National Restoration Construction handles all water damage restoration across Bellevue fast. Call National Restoration Construction in Bellevue now for a free estimate. Dial 206-883-0339 today.